welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today we're going to go ahead and start decorating my lovely desk. It's going to be a traditional, obviously it's going to tie in with all the other decor that I've already started doing. And I originally wanted to paint this piece like a sage green, or a hunter green I should say, more rich and deeper in tone. But I didn't get to it. So we're gonna leave it this beautiful burgundy color because it is still festive for the season. And then in January, I will go ahead and change it all out. But for today, we are going to zhuzh her up and get her all decked out and ready. Y'all, when I tell you I love this piece, I love this piece, okay? So I am so excited to be decorating her finally, because I haven't done anything since I got her. So finally, I'm so excited to, be decorating her and getting her all dressed up for the season. So we're gonna do a lot of greenery, some reds here and there. We're not gonna do too much red because she's already in the shade of red, right? So we're going to just add a lot of greenery, some gold tones, and some rustic pieces as well. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. But first of all, before we get into this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support that you've been giving me on all my videos and my channel. It means so much to me, and it means a great deal that you guys watch the videos from beginning to end and comment, interact and all that, because YouTube sees that and then they push out my video or videos each time I upload them. So I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. Go ahead and like and share if it's your first time here. Hey girl, hey. Welcome, and definitely subscribe if you like this kind of content. So let's go ahead and get into the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this is everything that I am going to be using on the desk. Lots of greenery, some metallics, and lots of wood tones. I just love wood with metallics and greenery for Christmas. I feel like it's just so beautiful and it just stands out, and it complements each other. So now I am going to go ahead and just put the garland on top of the desk, which I don't know, for some reason it just wasn't sitting right with me, but eventually it looked better than what it looks like now. I'm just kind of working it in and playing around with it, but it looks so good, you guys. I actually do love the green against this burgundy color. I feel like it just stands out so much better than if it was the green color. But I'm still gonna paint her green. We'll figure out what we'll do next year for Christmas, but I'm going to go ahead and add these Christmas trees. And y'all know I like to layer things, and I also love, just putting different heights together because it kind of makes it look not even across the board, but it looks so good. So I kind of wanted to give like a little forest action with little touch of glam, and so this is what it's looking like so far. So I have this sign, and for some reason it just couldn't fit on the shelf, so I was able to get it down at the bottom, and oh my gosh, I am just loving it. Also, by the way, my kids are in the living room. They're chilling out. Michaela just got home from school, so she's tired. She's taking a nap, and all those totes that's right behind me, that's all my Christmas totes, you guys. So don't mind the mess. Y'all know when I'm decorating for Christmas, my whole house is torn up. All right. So we're just so excited, and Christmas and all the festivities that is about to take place. We're super excited about Christmas here in Georgia. So let's go ahead and get into this decorating.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a
I actually used 2 picks. I got those picks from Walmart last year, and I just tied them with a bow. Velvet ribbon into a bow, and I'm actually going to be using them on my new chair. Because I only got the one chair, you guys, I just decided that I'm going to use it on my desk. Well, by my desk, for my desk. And I wanted to just put these 2 picks on the back of it and kind of give it like a sleigh type of look, you know, because it just looks so good. And I kind of wanted to bring in like that woodsy feel with the chair and, you know, with the sleigh, and it just all ties in so beautifully, and I just love it. By the way, that's Nyla in the background, if you guys can hear her. She's listening to Christmas carols and having the time of her life. So I just love the way that it looks, and now I'm just adding some lights because Christmas is just not Christmas without all the white lights. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just love it all. And I love the way that it turned out. It is absolutely stunning.
Be that when you start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want.
And this is the way it looks, you guys. Oh my goodness. I just love it so much. I mean, can you just live right now? It is absolutely stunning. I love the green against the red. I love the, you know, all the blacks and all the gold tones. And of course, my nativity. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just love the way that everything turned out on this piece of furniture. It just goes to show that you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Whatever you have, use it, you guys. I'm telling you, I did not spend a dime on this project. I use what I have, and it just looks so good with a little bit of creativity and some vision. You guys, I'm telling you, you could turn something out, okay? So don't go out and spend a bunch of money. Of course, if you want to add to your collection, go ahead and do that, but look through your house, shop your home, because I can guarantee you that you will be able to find something to use to decorate your space with for the Christmas season. I just love the way that it looks. Of course, we have 36 days left for Christmas. Can y'all believe that? Like, this year has flown by. So I am just so happy right now. My Christmas heart is so happy, and I just love the way that it looks. It just reminds me of like I don't know, like aspen, like woodsy, cottagey. It looks absolutely stunning. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think, if y'all like it, if you are inspired to do something like this in your space as well. And this is what it looks like without the overhead lights. Of course, it's not dark, so I'll give you guys a nighttime shot in another video, but I just love the way that it looks, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am just so happy right now.
Give me everything I want.
So I'm gonna just add this wreath to my door because I want to dress my door up a little bit. And this wreath, I was going to use it outside on the front door, but I decided I'm just going to use it on the inside because I want to look at it for this Christmas season. And I just love it. I love it so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you were inspired to get decorating for Christmas and use what you have. All right. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. He is the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.